One more little hole to go. It's got to get same as that. Yep. Audio starting to get into the insulation side of it. I'll finish it off tonight though, that piece there, and round it off. So yeah. But the exciting part's beginning. Starting to do the insulation. Yay! Yeah. I'm not going to paint it. I'm not even going to stain it. I'm just going to insulate it and lock the floor in. And then once all the floor and the insulation's in, I'll see what I need to do after that. But yeah, getting there, chubbies. Bloody insulation. So I wanted to get different colour, but you know how it goes. 40 mils got to fit that 42 by 42. So yep, getting there. Looking very snazzy.